Mossy, Slovenia. We got here really late last night, probably not until 9 o'clock. We spent the whole day in Venice and then we drove right here. We ended up leaving Venice a lot later than we planned. So that means we had to drive in the dark through some pretty remote roads, but it was super beautiful. We got to see the sunset over the mountains, which was amazing. So we're here in this secluded cabin. Honestly, it was the only thing I could find on Airbnb in this area that wasn't too expensive. But it's beautiful here. We have a beautiful kitchen, we have a bathroom, a washing machine. We were looking everywhere for the washing machine because it said they had one and we could not find it. It is outside through this little door. And there's your washing machine and your cleaning products. There's some stairs right there that go up to a bedroom and then a separate room with a TV and a pull-out sofa. So me and the baby slept on the pull-out sofa, which was actually really comfortable. And Isla and Dad slept in the big bed in the bedroom. I tried that one out. That one was comfortable as well. There's even a cute little guitar up there, and Isla's been playing with it. Good job. So that's cute. And the hosts were really nice. I thought they were going to be mad after what happened yesterday with the check-in and everything, but they were super understanding. They just left the keys in the lock. They left the lights on for us because it's very dark outside because all outside is all woods. They even left us 2 bottles of water in the fridge because even though the tap water in Slovenia is drinkable, in this specific location it is not because it's so remote. So the shower and the cooking water is provided by rainwater. So they collect the rainwater and they do that. So they left us some bottles for drinking, and they said that if we needed more, we would have to go to a local spring to refill our drinking water. And they also said there's an herb garden outside and we can take herbs from it if we want to cook, which is really nice. And there's a nice little seating area outside to kind of enjoy the views and relax in the peace and quiet. So we're all well rested now. We all slept in. We got ready and we're gonna head out in a minute, hit the grocery store, try to get some food for breakfast because we have nothing. We definitely need bug spray, especially staying here, and grab some diapers and wipes because we're almost out of those too. And we'll be having a very jam-packed day.
Chilly?
A little chilly.
Okay. Good morning, cows.
There's cows. Why is this so cute?
I love cows.
You love cows? Last night on the drive through the woods to get here, we saw tons of cows, tons of horses. We saw a deer crossing the road. So a lot different than a lot of the cities that we've been hanging out in, which is why I'm really happy that we did this Slovenia trip because we really like nature, we really like hiking, we really like animals.
Hi. Hi, cow. Hi.
You like the cow?
2 cows. 1, 2,
3 cows. We are on our way to Tolmin. It's about a half-hour drive from here, where we're gonna go explore the Tolmin Gorge. And then after that, we're gonna go to the Kozjak Waterfalls and explore Kobarid a little bit, the little town. Then if we have time, we're gonna go to the Great Socha Valley. We are at the foot of Triglav National Park, which I believe is part of the Julian Alps. So there's a lot of hiking. There's gorges and rivers and lakes and mountains. There's all different kinds of things to do here. So we are going to try to pack the next couple days with as much as we can. We've done a little research ahead of time to figure out what things are worth it and what are not. So we're going to stay 2 days on one side of Triglav National Park and then a few days on the other side and try to do stuff over there as well. We'll do as much as we can in the next 2 days here. So we are on our way to Tolmin first. He smiles. Love it. Wobbly bridge.